Hey guys, what is up? It is Madison. Hold on, I gotta turn this off because I was just watching YouTube and I got a package. Okay, so these are my skull candies. If you didn't know, guys. Yeah, they're not beets. And I got scissors here today, and I need to figure out how to cover this and stuff. So, okay, so I got this package, and you know what it was? It was. Let me see. Jake Paul's merch. Okay, so I got Jake Paul's merch on eBay, and it came in a box. Yep, so I got it on eBay, and it came in a box. And the guy said it would be in a bag, and it's small size, but I was wearing this. Yeah, so I got his merch. Hopefully this is not a spam and scam or whatever. And yeah, so let's open this. So I'm gonna get my scissors and cut through. Yeah, and shout out to Jake Paul. Go subscribe to him. Oh, yeah, I want you to subscribe to me too, because I only have one subscriber. I thank you for whoever that one subscriber is. I'm really happy. Ouch. It hurts. Alright, let me do it over here. Sorry if you hear the background. That's my brother. Jesus Christ. Oh, this is not that one. Okay. Sorry, that's just a film. My friend, I told her I had to go because I had to make a YouTube video. So where did my scissors go? No, I might cut. I don't know where my scissors went. Here they are. You guys just hold on because you guys can't look at my address and stuff. I don't want like anybody that's a creep watching this and they will know where I live and they come to my house. No, I don't want that to happen. That's why I don't like making these videos, but just need to do it for you guys. And you can put some good tape on it. Yeah, here it is, guys. There it is. I'm so excited to open it. Put that so aside. Yeah, so let's open it. I'm so excited to open it. Okay, so I think you just whoa. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. You guys can't see. It's right there. Okay, so is this his merch? Yes, this is the first merch I got. Love you, Jake Paul. Shout out to you. You're the best YouTuber ever, even though you're the most subscribed, favorite YouTuber in the whole universe now, so yeah. Come on, guys, I'm gonna get this on me and see what it looks like. Just wait. Oh, and sorry guys that I haven't made a YouTube channel. I mean, a YouTube video in a long time. But here is what the merch looks like. You can't see it. Where is it? Okay, it's over here. You guys can see it's right there. Yeah. So, I got my hair cut, and I wanted to do a video like that, but I said I'm gonna wait until I get my merch. So I waited for that, and here this day comes. I'm so sorry I haven't been making a YouTube video. And yeah. So yeah, peace. Love you, Jake Paul. Shout out to him. Subscribe to him. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.